In this video, I'll show you how to add money to your Robinhood Cash Card step by step. Before you can use your cash card for purchases or ATM withdrawals, you'll need to have money available in your spending account. To get started, open the Robinhood app and sign in to your account. Tap your profile icon, then go to the cash card or spending section to view your current available balance. Next, tap the option to add money or transfer funds. If you haven't already linked a bank account, follow the on-screen instructions to add one first. Once your bank account is connected, enter the amount you want to transfer into your spending account. Carefully review the transfer details, including the funding source and transfer amount, then confirm the transaction. Depending on your account and the transfer method, the funds may become available immediately or after some processing time. After the transfer is complete, return to the spending section and verify that your updated balance is displayed. You can also review your recent account activity to confirm that the deposit was successful. Keeping enough money in your spending account helps ensure your cash card is ready whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.